Ruchi Gujjar, a rising model and former Miss Haryana 2023, drew widespread attention on day 8 of the 78th Cannes Film Festival with her unconventional red carpet appearance. Wearing a bridal-inspired gold lehenga designed by Rupa Sharma, her look featured intricate gota patti mirror work and heavy zardozi embroidery, reflecting elements of traditional Rajasthani craftsmanship. What stood out most was her elaborate custom necklace, a bold kundan design inlaid with pearls, red enamel lotuses, and miniature portraits of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The fashion choice quickly became a talking point on social media. While some praised her unique fusion of politics and fashion, many users expressed discomfort, especially with the placement of PM Modi's images on a revealing neckline. Critics argued that it misrepresented Rajasthan's cultural traditions and questioned the appropriateness of blending political tribute with such attire. Ruchi Gujjar, a graduate of Maharani College in Jaipur, has been building her career in music videos and modeling, appearing in tracks like Heli Mein Chor and Jab Tu Meri Na Rahi. Her Cannes debut, while eye-catching, has reignited debates on celebrity fashion, cultural representation, and the use of political imagery on global platforms.